Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat. So first, of course, head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. Now here in the right panel, you should see this ribbon light with three lines beside it icon. So all you have to do is click on it and this will open up the bookmarks bar. To add a bookmark, just click on this icon. Give a title to this bookmark, then just click on anywhere in this area. And just by that, you have now created a new bookmark. If you want to specifically bookmark a page on your file, just head over and right click on that page, then click on Add Bookmark. Add the title for this bookmark, and the same as we did earlier, just click anywhere. And just by that, the bookmark for this page has now been added. If you click on this bookmark, this will redirect you to this page of your file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!